the state of my kitchen on a Monday morning after getting the kids off to school and doing some meal prepping. It's a mess. But this is what I made for breakfast. I made some breakfast potatoes. They're sweet potatoes and just regular, like, small white potatoes. And I put some pepper, some Kinder's The Blend seasoning, and some paprika all over those. I have some egg whites, just finishing here. Cut up a bunch of fruit. I made my coffee, my Stoke cold brew coffee, and the Natural Bliss creamer, sweet cream creamer. I blended it. It actually looks really, really light, so I need to drink a few sips and add some more coffee. And then I made a big fruit bowl, but I will show you. It's not big, it's like a side dish, but so yummy. And all of this will be 0 points. How exciting. All right, this is the completed breakfast. It's about a half a cup of egg whites, probably 3/4 of a cup, I didn't measure, of potatoes because that is free. And then this little bowl with watermelon, grapes, and strawberries. I fixed my coffee. It is not so light anymore. And I am working on a big cup of water before my workout. All right, this is my lunch. I just filled up my water for like the 3rd or 4th one. I have a Diet Coke, and I have a very high point salad. I didn't think it was gonna be that many points, but it is. So I got 4 points because there's 3 cups of lettuce, there's 1 whole cup of cucumbers, but it is a 13-point salad. So, I mean, it's really a 9-point salad, but I guess I didn't realize how much the buffalo chicken was gonna be. It was 6 points, so I just have it to use up, so it's not a big deal. But I put a couple of croutons on top, and there was only a few left. I don't think there was actually even 2 tablespoons, but I counted it. I put a few wontons, a little bit of the dried cranberries, and then the Hidden Valley original light ranch dressing. And all of that is 13 points. I'm used to it being like 6 or 7 points because I usually have like grilled chicken that does not cost me 6 points. But good thing I worked out and had a 0-point breakfast. So I got my water in there, and it is gonna be delicious though, and it's packed full of veggies and protein. So we will take it as a win. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day on Weight Watchers. It is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon when I'm filming this intro, but I've already had breakfast, which you saw. I've already had a salad. I've already worked out twice. Actually, I worked out once this morning. I did the Peloton, and then I went for a long walk around my neighborhood. I'm on my 4th big thing of water, and I'm getting a little hungry. So my new favorite thing to have has been chocolate rice cakes and a tiny little teaspoon of peanut butter. I did a poll over on my Instagram probably like last week, and we were talking about like Skippy peanut butter versus like real peanut butter. And the majority of you were like me and like the Kraft peanut butter better. It just tastes better. Let's be honest. So I have been measuring it out, and now I kind of know how much to put on without using a measuring spoon. Let's see how right I am though. So a teaspoon, hair on my finger. Oh, I was actually a little bit less. So I'm glad I weighed that out, or not weighed it out, but measured it out, because now I get to have a little more. But I had a huge salad, which you saw, and it was so many points because I didn't use like homemade, like real chicken. It was like the Tyson and Ready chicken, and it was like the buffalo one, so it was a lot, but it is what it is. Let's see, I'm gonna add in my snacks. I still have 13 points left for the day. So you saw my breakfast. But, there we go. So snacks. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon, I mean, and then a Quaker chocolate rice cake. Track food. We still have 10 points remaining for the rest of my day. So that's still pretty good because I just have dinner, and I'll probably have like a fudge pop or something for dinner. That's only one. I meant after dinner, as like an after dinner treat. Let me refresh because I worked out a second time for 79 minutes. I've been slacking big time, and I'm already at 8,000 steps, and I wanted to be at 10,000 every day this week. So let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna try to film a what I eat in a day every day this week, or at least a couple of times to hold myself accountable and just make some different things. But tomorrow I'm not going to have that big of a salad. So for dinner we will probably have some sort of chicken and broccoli, and I don't know, we'll see what else I have in the fridge. But for now I'm going to enjoy my delicious rice cake and fill up my water. All right, and this is what I'm having for dinner. I have a sweet potato with 1 teaspoon of butter and some cinnamon, half a cup of broccoli, a cup of broccoli, half a cup of corn, and turkey tips. I could not figure out what exactly the turkey tip situation is, so turkey tips itself are 0 points, so I just did 99 rosemary turkey tips, and those are 3 points, so it's really only the marinade. So I just did that, and then I kind of made butter, canned corn, and actually I got a point back for my broccoli. And actually when I'm filming this and having the turkey tips and sweet potatoes and stuff, it is actually the next day. I end up having like random stuff for my fridge for dinner because it was like a clean out the fridge kind of situation for dinner. So I think I had, what did I have? I had a hot dog and like some vegetables, like some random stuff, and I totally forgot to film it because we were leaving to go to the kids' art show and the whole thing. So I remember yesterday I had 10 points left, and I used like 7 of them for dinner. And then I had a rice cake with peanut butter. So that was my snack. So I was done with the 10 points for the entire day. So, and then same with today. I didn't really eat anything out of the ordinary. It was the same for breakfast because I made it, like meal prepped it yesterday as you saw, and I had the same for breakfast. And then for lunch, what did I have for lunch? I forget what I had for lunch today. I had leftover, I had chicken and broccoli and sweet potatoes. That's what I had. Basically what I'm having for dinner, except turkey tips instead of chicken. So I am definitely cheating tonight because Kevin and I are gonna sit out on the deck and have some mudslides. So I'm not even gonna count that. I'm just gonna remember that when I do my weeklies that I had a treat on Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to be going to Aldi tomorrow to do a grocery haul and stock up and see what we can find for some fun Weight Watchers treats and goodies and snacks there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.